Hello viewers, welcome to Shobha's Math Corner. Today's video we are going to see Class 5 NCERT Class 5 Place Value Chart, Indian Place Value Chart and International Place Value Chart. Okay, in Indian Place Value Chart, we may know that in these are called the periods. Okay, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So in Indian system we have ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. So these are the four periods we have. And in ones, it will come under ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. In Indian place value system, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so these are our Indian place value system. We have one spirit, thousand spirit, lakh, and crores. Okay, do you understand now? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore, 10 crore. Now let us see how to write in international system. In international place value system, the periods are different. Okay, we have seen in Indian place value system that it is ones, then thousands, lakhs, and crores. Instead of that, in international place value system, we have the periods as ones, thousands, and millions. Okay, so three periods we have ones, thousands, and millions. Then let us see how it is comes ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds in one spirit. Then thousands, 10,000, 100,000 will come under thousand period. Then 1 million, 10 million, 100 million will come under million period. Okay. So in international place value system we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, then million, 10 million, and 100 million. Do you understand, children, now? Now let us see how we can compare both the systems. Okay, let us see how it is varied in Indian system and international system. What are the differences? See here, ones it's same, tens also same, 100, thousands, 10,000. Till in Indian system and international system, till 10,000 it will be similar. Okay, same. But in Indian system we have lakh. International system instead of lakh we have 100,000. Then 10 lakhs. Instead of 10 lakhs in international system we have 1 million. Then crore. In international system we have 10 million. Then 10 crore. Instead of 10 crore we have 100 million. Okay. So in Indian system we have ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore, 10 crore. In international system we have ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, then see the relationship between this both the systems. 1 lakh equal to 100,000. Then what is 10 lakh? 10 lakh equal to 1 million. Then 1 crore. 1 crore equal to 10 million and 10 crore equal to 100 million. Okay, now let us see the exercise problems. Page number 99, exercise 2.1. First Roman number. Write the numbers in words. Okay, how to write the numbers in words? First, you put the commas according to the Indian place value system. Okay, apply the commas wherever it is necessary. Now you see, I have applied the commas. Now it is easy for us to read. What is this? 88. What is the place of 88? 88 is in lakhs place. So 88 lakhs, 95,790. So 88 lakh, 95,790. First one. Then sum number 2. When you are applying 3 places 2, 2, 2. So it will be coming like 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 pattern. So we know that this is a thousands period and this 45 is in lakh period. So 9 is in crore. How can we write this? 9 crore 45 lakhs 68,341. Clear? 9 crore 45 lakh 68,341. Okay. Then third one, 55 lakhs 28,310. 55 lakh 28,310. Then fourth problem, when you are applying 3, 2, 2, 2, you will be getting this as 73 crore. So this one is in crore place. So 73 crores, 65 lakhs, 60 thousands, 831. Okay, so 73 crore, 65 lakhs, 60,831. Clear? So like this you have to complete the first Roman number. Now you understood, no? Last from 3 places, then 2, 2, 2. Okay? Then come to second Roman number. Write the names and mark the period with commas. 7 lakh 22,142. So 7 lakhs 7 comma 32,000 32 comma 142 142. Can we see the second one? 35 lakhs. So 35 lakhs. Then only 5,000. 10,000 place no number. So 0. 5,000 comma 213. So 213. Then third one. 5 crore. 5 comma 12 lakh. 12 lakhs. 16,000. 16. Then 705. So this is 5 crore 12 lakh 16,705. Clear? Then last one 68,000. So we can write it 68 comma then 986. 986. Then last one 12 crore. So 12 comma 12 lakhs. 12 comma 2,000. So 10,000 place no number. So 0, 2. 2,403. 403. Okay. In next video we can see the Roman number C onwards. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.